Okay, so for our OSC naman is group policy. So first step is go to your server manager and then click roles and then go to features, group policy, and then yung forest na yami.com and then the domains. After that is right click your domain, which is ang aking domain is yami.com. Then create a GPO in this domain. So ayan siya. So since nagawa ko na siya, hindi ko na siya uulitin. So pero ayan siya. Yami.com yung inyong domain and then create a GPO. Then after that, lalabas yung ito. You need to enter your new GPO name. So, ang inyong GPO name is hotdog. No? So, i-name nyo lang siya. Then after that, click OK. Then, makikita nyo siya dito kung successful ba na na-add yung inyong GPO. And then, after that, create another GPO and name it as administrator. So, ito naman na siya. So, ganun lang ulit. Right-click nyo yung domain and then create a GPO in this domain. And name it as administrator. After that, in the GPO administrator, remove the authenticated users. So, paano ba yan? Click administrator and then, ayan. Remove the authenticated users. So, ito siya. Dito siya. Dito siya. Okay? Si authenticated users. And then, after that is sa BSIT S2A students naman, remove mo rin yung authenticated users. Then, add a new user. Which is si Joey and S. La Vega ang nilagay kong user. And then, sa GPO administrator naman, ang nilagay ko is yung admin ng administrator nitong itong Windows Server 2008, which is si Yami administrator. Ayan. And then, right-click the GPO administrator. GPO administrator. Saan siya? Si administrator. And then, click edit. After that, go to policies. Administrative. Policies. Administrative. And then, all settings. And then, lalabas ito lahat. After that, in all settings, click the remove links. So, pipiliin nyo dito sa sobrang dami nito yung remove links. So, para madalian kayo, since nahirapan akong gawin siya kanina, no? Gawin nyo is, pinutin nyo yung standard, and then, click nyo tong settings. Ayan, makikita nyo, naka-alphabetical na siya. So, click nyo ulit para naman baliktad. From X naman siya hanggang A, or Z hanggang A. So, click nyo yung remove link access, no? Browse nyo lang. Remove click access. Remove links. Remove links access. Ito siya. Remove links and access. And then, sa administrator, select disabled. So, since administrator yung pinindot natin, ito siya. Click nyo to, and then, dapat naka-disabled siya. And then, hindi siya kakakita. So, tanggalin ulit natin itong taskbar. Ayan. So, dapat naka-disabled siya. And then, click nyo yung apply. And then, click OK. So, for the BSIT student naman, is, ayan, i-alt tab nyo na lang. For BSIT students naman, click edit din, no? And then, policies, administrative templates, all settings. Ayan. Remove links. Remove links. Ayan, remove links. Dito naman is dapat naka-enabled siya. Then, click apply, and then, okay. So, after that, ang next yung hahanapin is yung remove the network connection from start menu. Remove start menu. So, since nagawa ko na yan, no, ang next nyo, after nyo mahanap yung remove links is yung remove the network connections from start menu naman. So, for administrator, dapat same lang siya ng process, dapat naka-disabled siya, and for the BSIT students naman is enabled. So, for step 14 naman, hanapin nyo yung remove the help menu from start menu dito. And then, same process sa administrator. Sa administrator is dapat naka-disabled siya, and sa BSIT students is naka-enabled siya. So, for the step 15 naman, hanapin nyo ulit yung remove the run menu from start menu. And then, for the administrator, click the disabled, and for the BSIT students, enabled. So, next is yung remove the pictures icon from start menu. So, for administrator, same process, disabled, and for BSIT students, enabled. For step 17 naman is remove, hanapin nyo ulit dito, yung remove the music icon from start menu. So, for administrator, click disabled, and for BSIT students, enabled. For step 18 naman, remove the network icon from start menu for both administrator, which is naka-disabled, and for BSIT students, enabled. After that, hanapin nyo naman yung add log off to the start menu. Add log off naman ang inyong hahanapin. So, hanapin natin siya. Ito. Add log off to the start menu. So, for the administrator and BSIT students, this time, parehas silang naka-enabled. So, check natin, si BSIT students is naka-enabled. Apply. Okay. Then, okay. So, for administrator naman, ano yan? Add log off. Tagpas. Add log off. Click. Okay, naka-enable din. And then for the step 20 naman, hanapin nyo ulit yung remove task manager start menu. And then for administrator, naka-disabled, and BSIT students, which is enabled. Then for the step 21 naman, hanapin nyo yung proceed to prohibit access to properties of components of a LAN connection. Dito lang siya. Hanapin nyo lang siya dito. And then for administrator, same lang na naka-disabled, and for the BSIT students, enabled. And then next is prevent access to the command prompt. So for administrator, naka-disabled, sa BSIT students, enabled. Next is prevent access to registry editing tools for both administrator, disabled, and BSIT students, enabled. So next is prohibit access to the control panel for both administrator, which is disabled, and BSIT students, enabled. After lahat ng ginawa nyong pag-select dito sa settings, pag-disabled and enabled, punta kayo dito sa start menu. Apply, okay. And then search nyo yung gpedit.msc. Yan siya. Lalabas yung gpedit. And then, go to user configuration, Windows settings, then Internet Explorer, browse user, then click browser title. Ayan. And enter your domain. So, ayan, in-add ko na yung aking domain, which is siyami.com. After that, you can now view your domain in the Internet Explorer. Ayan siya. So, let's check kung ganyan ba ang itsura niya dito. Ayan. So, that's it for our group policy.